Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to connect ChatGPT to Canva. This method is fully updated as the old plugin system has been completely replaced. By integrating these two powerful tools, you can generate and edit designs directly inside your ChatGPT conversations. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in. Look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Next, navigate to the Apps and Connectors tab. Scroll through the list of official apps, or use the search bar to find Canva. Once you see the official Canva app, click Connect. A new window will prompt you to authorize the link. Log into your Canva account if you are not already signed in, and click Allow to grant permission. And that is it. Your accounts are now linked. To use the integration, go back to your main chat window. You can type the @ symbol and select Canva, or simply tell ChatGPT what you need in plain English. For example, you can type, create a YouTube thumbnail for a tech tutorial using Canva. ChatGPT will automatically open the Canva app in the chat, build the design, and show you a preview. You can ask ChatGPT to change the text, swap the colors, or translate the document right there in the chat. When you are happy with the draft, just click the design to open it directly in the full Canva editor for any final tweaks. It is that simple. If this tutorial helped you speed up your workflow, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straight to the point guides. See you in the next video.